We read the article in the Wall Street Journal called "Can 3D Save Hollywood?" And mainly what it focused on was the upcoming 3D attraction called Monsters vs. Aliens. And this movie is a mixture of sci-fi movies from the 50s, such as The Blob, The Fly, and The Attack of the 50-Foot Woman. And when a UFO lands in America, the president, who is played by Stephen Colbert, calls on some monsters to save the Earth from aliens. The 3D effects are supposed to heighten the movie's visual jokes, like making the characters like Ginormica, a 49-foot, 11-inch California girl played by Reese Witherspoon, and a 350-foot Insectosaurus seem much bigger than the 6-foot Stephen Colbert president. And when this movie, a DreamWorks production, hits theaters tomorrow, it's supposed to set off another invasion, a new wave of big budget 3D films. But unlike the 3D movies from the past, where two separate projectors displayed images, one for each eye, and had to remain synchronized for the duration of the film, the latest 3D systems use one digital projector, quickly alternating between images seen by the right and left eyes. The process still requires glasses, but they're much different than the 70s glasses, the red and green ones. Today the ones are more like sunglasses. To make the movie, the producers employed a technology called InTrue 3D, using in-house tools and a device resembling a physical camera, looked into a computerized set instead of a soundstage.
Okay, there's a new wave of 3D films coming out in 2009, starting with Monsters vs. Aliens, which is coming out, I think, this weekend. DreamWorks is releasing them. A whole bunch of producers are starting to get into the 3D rage, such as James Cameron, Robert Zemeckis, and Steven Spielberg. They're looking for new ways to boost revenue and re-spark interest in theaters in the struggling economy. The key to doing this, it lies in the technology in producing these 3D movies. Over the past decades, movie